Hi guys, good day, good afternoon, blessed Sunday everyone. Ito po yung aking brunch. Kasi late na nagising. Binigyan na ako ng bunso ng rice roll. Nabigat na din po ito sa tiyan. Kain po tayo. Rice roll with my coconut milk flavor coffee. Yan guys. Thank you and be kind.